This area in particular, this is what is going to be in style for the next, I would say, easily. Hi, welcome. How are you today? I'm good too. So, you're here for a mesotherapy session, right? Okay, we're going to start by inspecting your face. We want to see what are your needs. I was told by my receptionist that you wanted to look a little bit more younger, but you're very young and beautiful. So what we're going to be doing with mesotherapy, what it does great is make us look fresher, like you have just woken up from the best sleep ever. Very refreshed face. It can help a little bit with fine wrinkle lines. It can also help with sunspots, some freckles in some cases. So it all depends on your skin needs. So I was told that you mostly want to feel refreshing up, right? It can also help to reduce some baggage under our eyes and also reduce some of the dark circles, but it all depends on the skin type. It doesn't help too much in certain skin tones if you are too pale or very darkened skin. So it all depends. And also it can help reduce a little bit of fat in the face. It doesn't last for too long, but let's say for around 6 to 8 weeks it will reduce a little bit. It could be reducing the double chin or the cheeks. No, it doesn't work on the nose. No, it's completely different. So, okay, right here in your forehead, there's a little bit of dryness. You can also see tiny, tiny fine lines here in the front area, which are completely normal since we laugh, we get angry. Even the sun, when we are squinting, it provokes these lines. Also, right here on your cheeks can benefit you quite a lot. So I believe that with 2 ounces will be quite enough for you, and your skin is already beautiful, but there is always room for improvement, isn't it? So yeah, these are the areas that I'm gonna be focusing with. I'm gonna be marking it, okay? So I wanna start right here in this area in particular, and then I'm gonna be moving to this side and focusing here on your cheeks. Then again here at the top, going down a little bit under your eyes in this area, right here, going down again, and I want to give a little bit more of structure here on your jawline, make it a little bit sharper. So we're going to be doing that here in this area. Also fine lines here in your mouth. They are not very marked, but it could benefit you there. Yeah, actually with this treatment we can make you look at least 5 to 10 years younger, but it doesn't last long, okay? You will be needing touch-ups every 4 weeks or 8 weeks, depending on the person. You can come for touch-ups and it will work great for you. So we're gonna be doing this here. Now I'm trying to determine my mapping here where I'm gonna be injecting the mesotherapy. Going here and there too. Okay, so I'm gonna mark it here and on this area. That is gonna look great. Okay, now do you have any issues with needles? I'm asking because some of my patients really don't like needles. Let me show you what I'm gonna be using. As you can see, it's very tiny. The needle is barely there. You are definitely not gonna feel almost anything, just a slight pinch, but for some people can be even too much. So if you would like, I can apply a numbing cream in your whole face so you don't feel anything. You're just gonna feel me putting pressure on certain areas where I'm gonna be injecting the mesotherapy. Would you like that? Okay, yeah, no problem. No extra cost, it comes included. So we're gonna be using this one right here. Okay, let me see the marked lines. I'm applying it there. No, it doesn't last too long. Around 15 minutes or so. And after that, we're gonna do a gentle face massage to help the mesotherapy flow to the directions that I want. Okay. Here. Right here too. And here. This numbing solution is a little bit oily, but it's going to be absorbed pretty easy. Yeah, I always ask my patients if they want to opt up with the numbing solution, just so they feel more relaxed. But don't worry, it doesn't hurt at all. There are some cases that can leave a little bit of blood going on, but believe me, it doesn't hurt. But of course, all of us have a different pain thread, so what is painful for you might be not painful for me. So it's important to just follow your instinct. Okay, there. I'm gonna leave it for a little bit while I prepare the mesotherapy. Prepare your hair to the back. Well, about scarrings, in some cases it can help a little bit, but it's not gonna fill up the scar or erase it completely. As I was saying, mesotherapy is only a temporary solution to minor things in your face or your body. So for scarring, there is other treatment that can be done, such as my microdermabrasion. It's very good for that, but depending on the scar, it might require several sessions. Yeah, actually I do have acne scars, as you can see, but I did try microdermabrasion, but in my case and my skin type, it was very difficult to remove, and it was extremely painful for me and my skin type. Okay, let me clean this. Okay. Now, let's see if your skin is numb now. I'm gonna be touching you with this. Let me know if you can feel it. Here. Okay. Here. Can you feel this? This. This. Okay. Here. Good. And here. Okay, you're ready. So, I'm going to get a new needle for you. Fill her up with our solution. Okay. Now relax. You can close your eyes while I'm doing this. You ready? Very good. We're going to be starting here in your forehead area. Ready? Here we go. You can feel the pressure? Okay, you're good. Good. Just going in and out. Good. 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 Okay. Looks great. I'm going to be very close to you now. Let's do it here. Good. You're doing great. Doing great. Almost done on this side. Excellent. Okay, here's causing a little bit of redness, but that is completely normal. So you don't get scared when you see yourself and look a little bit red. Okay, going this way again. Here we go. Doing great. Almost done. And there we go. After this massage that I'm going to give you is extremely relaxing. You're going to love it. Okay. Once again, here we go. Yeah. Actually, some of my patients that don't ask for the numbing cream tell me that it kind of feels like when a bee stings before you feel the venom. Yeah, it's like very slightly sharp, but not really painful. But even that for some people can be causing phobia. That looks very good. Okay. This direction. Now we're going to be doing it here. You ready? Good, good. Now you should be starting to feel a bit warm in your face, like your skin is being flushed. That's normal, okay? It's a normal reaction. Now let's do it here. Good. It's pretty quick once you get the rhythm of the needle. Quite relaxing to me to be doing this. Okay, there we go. And we just have 2 more to go, okay? Let me change needles. Yeah, since it's very small, it tends to break apart if you use it too much. Okay. There we go. Nice. Almost there. And we are done with this one. Down to the last one. That looks great. Okay, good. And this is the last one, and we are done. I'm gonna leave it untouched for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna prepare your face cream for the massage. How are you feeling? No pain? Okay, you feel the warm sensation in your face? Slightly warm, right? It shouldn't be feel very hot or burning, okay? It's very important. Okay. So you're looking great. Let me get your face cream so we can start with the massage. And after that, we're just gonna remove the lines that I drew earlier on, if they don't get removed with the cream. Okay, one moment. Okay. So now by this time you should start refilling, getting back the feeling sensation in your skin. Let's test that out. Okay, again, are we touching you? Let me know if you can feel it. Good. 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 Okay. Very nice. Okay, so I would say you're at 90% getting back the sensation in your skin. Okay, good. Let me first remove the lines that I drew, okay, for the cream. Okay, almost there. There we go, completely clear. This cream is gonna feel great. I'm gonna be pushing all the mesotherapy to the right places. You're gonna start seeing results by the third day. You know, you're gonna feel by the third day, maybe even by the second day, when you wake up, you're gonna feel your skin like it's a little bit pulled back, like when you were a teen, very, very tied up. You're gonna feel it like that, very, very nice. Okay. And by the fourth day, you're gonna notice that the fine lines are completely filled up. Okay, this is not gonna work if the lines are very deep. Okay, just for fine lines. You ready? Feels quite nice, isn't it? I love it. Just a bit more. Okay, good. Let me clean my gloves here. I'm gonna leave that there again for a bit before removing it. Now this is gonna feel very, very cold in a minute, but not uncomfortable, just cold. Now, as I was saying, the effects will last for a max of 10 weeks, depending on the person. Minimum 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks. So by those weeks, you can expect beautiful, refreshing skin. The only thing is, I do recommend you to wear sunscreen during that period of time. Okay. I'm gonna write you, well, not a prescription, but a note of what I recommend the most to be a good sunscreen for the service that I apply on you. And you can get it at any pharmacy, drugstore, okay? Good. Okay, should be dry by now. Yeah, it's ready. Let's take that out. Okay. Now, the aftercare. Just for today, try not to wear makeup, okay? Just for today. Just to make sure, because I was putting a lot of needles on you. So some pores are very, very open. We don't want to risk any bacteria to go inside there. Just for today, okay? Also, don't touch your face with your hands or your phone. Clean it very thoroughly with alcohol, and also your hands, wash them if you have to touch your skin. Do that just for today and tomorrow. That's it. Okay, there we go. Now let me just remove this from your hair. And we are done. Now I have given you here a note with the sunscreen recommendation and a few advice on how to treat your skin for the following days. Do you have any questions? Well, it was a pleasure. If you have any questions in the future, feel free to call us or email us, okay? Now, if you want to have a retouch, you can have a 20% off if you come by the 8th week. If you wait longer than that, we're going to have to charge full price, okay? By the 8th week, you can come for 20% off. Yeah, you can actually make an appointment here in the reception and tell them that you want it by the 8th week. Okay? Very well. It was a pleasure working with you. Take care.